Good morning, everybody. Kaz here. We finished up Meg's bike last night, and both of us are just thrilled with that. And we also got a little bit of our money back from Uncle Sam. So Meg promised me a while ago that I could use some of that to get some of these guys, slip-on mufflers. These are Vance and Hines 4.5 high outputs. Ones I really like the step in those. And for those that have known me a while, I pulled the baffles on these guys and put little, I don't know if you can see in there, little lollipops there. And those are great and everything like that. Did serve the purpose, but now we're gonna see what those will sound like. I'm gonna do a before and after. In fact, let's go ahead and get the before now. Yeah, I know. It's competition there. So we'll see. Alright, I want to tell you, putting in the new brackets here into those grommets there. If you look at the stock, you can see that shape. Well, the other brackets aren't that shape, and to get them back in there, it's a little bit of an issue. So, anyway, had to shut off the camera. There were some cuss words in there, so. That fucker just slipped right on. Slipped right on. Well. I sent it on the 16th, and the next one's already set up. It's okay, thank you. It's not like I haven't missed one payment. Back then, can't remember what the other went. Where was that other guy go? Where did it go? Okay, we're finally got this thing done. All looked up, got the pipes all level there. This one just slipped on, no problem, just boom, boom, boom. This guy. Oh man. What a mother. Okay. But now we're just cleaning up and making sure all the fingerprints are off and gonna fire it up. Got the fingerprints all off and ready to start it up. Haven't heard it yet, so it's my first time too. Let's recap. We put on the Vance & Hines 4.5 high output slip-ons. Yeah, slip-on. Oh my God, slip-on, right? It was a struggle. Got that in there. Okay, let's go ahead and hear it. So I'm excited.